doing this very quick video to show how you can make Google Forms of any kind easily with the help of ChatGPT without manually structuring. So I was working on this for myself. I've done this earlier, but I figured that hey, maybe I'll share this because I'm not sure if everyone knows about this. So here's my thread. So I want to create programmatically. Then give me the simplest option. It gives me the steps how to create that. Yeah, so then I figured that hey, how about I want to share this with LinkedIn audience. Maybe others haven't figured this out as well. There's so many of those kind of large ideas circling around, but not too many of those very like handy things. So anyway, I wrote my thoughts, got a LinkedIn post. Then I figured let's make a video about this. So I'm doing that now. And then I also thought that hey, actually it makes sense to connect this form that I'm gonna do a demo about to be about this LinkedIn post, because why not? And then yeah, I wanted to also add one more question. I wanted to review like, okay, it's good enough, or it's not the point of the survey is not really the point, but I wanted to just make this example connect with that. Yeah, now give me a new script that I can use. So it updated those questions here, and then how to use it step by step. So yeah, I tried it just to make sure it works, and then basically yeah, I asked it to update also the basically the post so that it I can share the assets. So I have the video, I have the survey link there, and I will also share this thread so that it's useful. But anyway, so now let's follow the steps. So it was here, we have the script that it created. So I'll copy that. I'll go to my Google Drive. There's the form that I was working on earlier. Then it said that create a new project. So let's go to scripts. It's here. Yeah, and then it gives some information. So let's create the script. And yeah, so now I'll just name this as demo. This is actually not even mandatory, but just a habit. So let's clear all the other noise from there. I now pasted the code that I copied from the thread. I'll save it, and then I'll run it. Now it will also ask some authorizations. Of course, you should always check that the authorizations that you are giving make sense and so forth. So always be cautious of using code in a safe environment. But anyway, so I'll review the permissions. I'll give the demo access to my account at Google, just for this purpose. And yeah, now it's executing the script that ChatGPT created with my questions there. And there we go. Now we have the form. It would likely be also, yeah, it's also available there. But let's go to the URL that I just copied. And now we have the form here. I can preview it, and I can copy the public link here also. So this is the link that I will share in the post, and that's it.